Hey guys, it's Sarah from ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we have a review and install of the Barricade Rock Sliders, fitting your 07 through 18 two-door Jeep Wrangler JKs. These rock sliders feature a heavy-duty stainless steel tubular construction with a textured black powder coat finish. So these rock sliders provide side as well as undercarriage protection and double as a step. And this is one of the few products that offers both of those as options and allows you to keep your factory or factory-style ruby rails intact. Also, if you are an avid off-roader, these are slanted upwards slightly to work against getting hung up on rocks or other obstacles while you're out on the trails. Coming in at around $230, these are middle of the road price-wise when compared to other options. But for your money, you are getting the protection of a rock slider with the convenience of a step. I'm giving this install a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It does feature a direct bolt-up installation utilizing your factory body bolts and can be done in 2 hours with the help of a friend. Alright, with that said, let's jump right into our install. For this install, we used a deep 18mm socket and an impact gun. Alright, so the first step in our install is to remove the 2 body bolts from underneath your Jeep. Using an 18mm socket, remove these bolts. Alright, with our body bolts out, we can now line up our side step underneath our Jeep and get them reinstalled. You may want a friend for this step because these are a little bit heavy. Get your bolt through the bracket on your slider and thread it back into your Jeep. Grab your 18mm socket and tighten it down. Repeat that with the back body bolt. Grab your 18mm socket and tighten it down. Alright, so that is going to do it for the review and install of our rock sliders. Remember, for all things Jeep, keep it at ExtremeTerrain.com.